Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. Welcome to Context Change Week. Here for today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson. Today's tip is about practicing your form in a new direction. Maybe it's not new, but it's not usual. Maybe it's a challenging direction. Maybe it's not challenging, it's just different. But I find that people tend to have a habitual direction. And it might have good reason to be that direction. That's the shape of my form, fits the room best that way. That's the best view. I don't want to be looking at that or distracted by that. But if you ordinarily face north, maybe try facing south, facing southeast, or whatever it might be. And the idea is to really just kind of see what new connections you can see between one posture and another, either the meaning of it or the feel of it. Maybe those are challenges, maybe they're curiosities, maybe they don't much change the form for you at all. So give that a whirl, see how it goes, report back to me. And this is the study of change, isn't it? So keep changing, keep staying the same.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.